Welcome to Celebrity News and Cloud Chasing. In this video, I want to talk about Utangen no Big Zulu. So Utangen did a diss track for Big Zulu, or it seems like a diss track for Big Zulu, because he is talking about Lucky Dube wanna be and noba unemali so I'm controlling. He's like actually talking about Lucky Dube wanna be. So it seems like Big Zulu, and the way he's talking is like uthetha no Big Zulu, and I'm so convinced that uthetha no Big Zulu. So as we know that Big Zulu did a diss track back in the days, dissing the whole SA hip hop, Questa and KO responded, Loki Tunes responded, and Tangen responded too. What Big Zulu you rapping at Yabal. So yeah, it seems like beef ka Tangen no Big Zulu ayikapheli nangoku, because Tangen has dropped a diss track. He's working on an album and he has done a video up is dissing no Big Zulu. So here's the video. Tell me what you think. Is he really dissing Big Zulu or what? I am so convinced that this Big Zulu.
Siyasha mini rap ngizoyivusa, mini rap ngizoyivusa, ukula siyasha mini rap ngizoyivusa, mini rap ngizoyivusa, ukula siyasha lama rap aphume rank man ayafatuza, nokugcwalisa super 16 kuyabashula, 8 bars then emva kwalokho seniyacula, baningi abafitha abaphenduka ama-puppet wabo, ukuthi banemali mina never bangilawula. I'm a one-man army, ngifika qathatha bangifikele nama-beef lapho, ngavele ngaba business-minded bafana ngase ngithenga i-plus, i-beef kimi lethi nkulu mani ingangoqatha, ngeke sibuso fam Julia kule rapho ngafa, mina bro yangipha isikelemu sekeni enemy angifuna inizwe ngamahebezi bafike kule game kwanuka impepho nanentelezi mtsheleni uLucky Dube lookalike angimnqeni, ngibhala isitha sikhalo sizwa sibamba ngasenhlizweni, ngisasehuye lo sikhotheni obhala amavesi emhosheni, mini rap ngizoyivusa, mini rap ngizoyivusa, ukula siyasha mini rap ngizoyivusa, mini rap